Bowlby and Erikson both agree that young adult couples form a coupleship. This is their own identity as a couple. Each person has their own identity coming into the intimacy stage, but then they develop their own couple identity. Furthermore, as the relationship grows, they become a figurative rock for each other, establishing an attachment that they can approach tribulations with more confidence and come to resolutions. They also agree that the importance of expressing intimacy on a daily basis, as well as how the individuals manage their feelings due to the identity challenges. They found that the one partner would act as a source of support to the other that struggled with their identity. Erikson's theory limitations. Lynn did not successfully resolve the identity crisis prior to beginning her intimate relationship with her husband. She does still struggle with this at times. She is very content with knowing that her role as a wife and mother have defined her. She explained to me that she does love her life very much, despite her depression. She is seeking help for her depression, as that was one thing I did make sure to ask. These are the references, as you'll see. The textbook, the Pittman, Cayley, and Kerpelman and Vaughn article, The Attachment, Identity, and Intimacy, as well as Volling, Notaro, and Larson, An Adult Attachment Styles, Relations with Emotional Well-Being, Marriage, and Parenting. Thank you.